Now, if you're a content creator, you're probably thinking like, damn, this is going to replace my job. This is going to put a dent in my business. Don't think like that. Not yet. What you should be thinking about is how can I use this tool to offer more value to my client so that I can make more money? That's what you should be thinking. Sure, I can create content with your product hanging off the moon. Sure, I can create content with your product at the bottom of the ocean, and it won't cost you millions, just hundreds of thousands. That's what you should be thinking about until this product becomes a household name. That's how you should be thinking. That's why it's so important to embrace this stuff and not have this attitude that it's not going to replace my job. It's not going to do a job better than me. No, 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 no. I can create content and put your product on the moon for a fraction of the price. And it's all profit for me because I know about this technology.